Click the website icon, then go to the Testimonials section. Enable the section. Click Add New Testimonial. Enter the name of the client and add a photo. Below, enter the testimonial content. Click the Add button to save. Let's add another one. Testimonials are a great way to build new customers' trust and share positive feedback from your existing clients. The interactive component also makes your website more engaging. Let's check how it looks live. You can browse testimonials by clicking the arrow buttons. IKOL, AI for Business.